HubbleIQ helps you provide IT support and self-service to anyone, anywhere in the world, proactively. With HubbleIQ, you can monitor the digital experience of your remote hybrid workers, students, or customers. When you first log into the HubbleIQ agent portal, you're brought to this overview dashboard. Here, you can see how your end users are doing overall and which issues are affecting them the most. Issues like ISP outages and poor Wi-Fi, regional or widespread application outages, and device issues keeping your users from being productive. All of this without waiting for a user to request help. Right from the homepage, we can see one of our remote users is having a poor digital experience. Let's find out why. Here we have this user's network connectivity dashboard, giving us context of their local area network and Wi-Fi experience over time, as well as the reliability and performance of their internet service provider. Using this trend chart here, we can see that in general, their performance has been pretty good, but more recently, they've been having issues. Scrolling down a bit further, we can see that they've recently changed their internet service provider. Maybe they're working from a different location. But the correlation is quite clear as to why this user is having a poor digital experience, and we know exactly what we need to do to remediate this, in this case, to advise this user to work from a different location. Here is another user who has been struggling with a poor digital experience over the last 10 days. Right away, we can see that this user's Wi-Fi quality is poor. We can also see that their internet service is not reliable and insufficient for remote work. We may need to invest in better equipment and service for this user if they are working from home. In addition to network performance, we can analyze this user's device to see if it is the performance bottleneck. HubbleIQ monitors system vitals such as battery health, CPU, and memory utilization. We can also see clues as to why the device may be performing slowly, clues like too many windows or tabs running. Here we have a user who has been struggling with high CPU utilization for some time. This may indicate that this user needs an upgraded device in order to maintain a productive digital experience. Additionally, we can see this end user's current and future experience with our business applications. Application performance monitoring in HubbleIQ is user-centric. This is important in a distributed environment because everyone has a different path to our services. We constantly measure the network response time of our services to our remote users, giving us an indication of a future experience. As the service is consumed, we measure the fulfillment time of that service to provide actual user experience data. Together, this user-centric view helps you detect outages and performance issues that are user-specific, regional, provider-related, or widespread. Service response codes are captured and logged in HubbleIQ. When an issue is detected, it's immediately triaged with these codes, and admins can differentiate between client, server, and network issues, knowing exactly where and how to escalate if necessary. Let's have a look at a user who is showing signs of a poor application performance experience. We can see that the network response times for multiple apps is poor, which suggests that there may be a user-centric issue instead of a widespread issue. But let's investigate further. We can also see that they're not able to access one of our services. In this case, they're not able to access the intranet, but luckily they are able to access a VPN server here. So there's something to keep an eye on if the intranet does require VPN access, but if not, I'd want to know if other users are experiencing this as well, and if it's a regional issue, or if this is something that is more widespread. This gives me the earliest indication of a potential widespread outage and allows me to take steps in order to mitigate a big problem. Setting up applications in HubbleIQ is easy. Right from the side menu, click on Applications and Settings. And here you can see the list of services that have already been configured. You can add to this list applications like Slack, Office 365. Let's go ahead and add Google Workspace. Once we've configured our business applications here, all of our users all around the world will be automatically updated and their experience insights will automatically populate the HubbleIQ dashboard. Now, let's move to the HubbleIQ agent for end users. This self-service tool helps users identify and resolve issues that may impact their remote experience before it disrupts their productivity. HubbleIQ makes them a tech expert, no matter how technical they actually are. They can resolve Wi-Fi issues, ISP issues, diagnose unstable connections, and request help easily with a single click. Creating a custom agent experience for your end users can be done directly in your agent portal. From the side menu, navigate to Settings and Extension Settings. We can add our own custom logo to our agent here, and it will instantly propagate to all of your end users. You can also configure the behavior of the agent. You can enable pop-up notifications and determine how frequently the agent runs an assessment. Prompts can be modified to tailor the self-service experience for your end users. For this particular outcome, we'll direct users to the HubbleIQ Wi-Fi Help Center article on resolving high jitter, as you can see here. Additionally, you can send help requests directly into your help desk tool if you have one. By clicking the Help Desk Integration tab, you can edit the instructions your end users will see and set an email destination for help requests. In this case, we've set our Zendesk queue as our destination so that a ticket will be automatically opened when a user requests help. Once a user requests help via HubbleIQ, they'll be redirected to our Wi-Fi Help Center knowledge base, as specified here in our Submit Redirect URL. Let's see it in action. Taking a look at our Zendesk queue, we can see that HubbleIQ has already opened a ticket, and the help desk agent can click a link in the ticket to see the technical details associated with this help request, their network experience, device performance, and application performance. And the end user no longer needs to struggle to provide technical details. The platform already has all that context captured. For your end users who don't have the HubbleIQ agent pre-installed, such as clients and customers, HubbleIQ can be deployed as a browser-based tool for on-demand testing. HubbleIQ On Demand runs a network and application performance assessment and provides self-help information configurable to help your users resolve their own issues while providing you with context that helps you resolve issues faster. This is an add-on feature for HubbleIQ. If you're interested, please contact us to have it enabled. There are several ways to enroll end users and admins into HubbleIQ. You can send an invite link to users directly in the agent portal, as you see here. The end users will receive a special link that will prompt them to download the agent in one single click. Users can also be batch invited. From the invite pop-up, click the Batch Import tab and use the CSV template provided. If you manage your users with Google Admin, you can auto-deploy the HubbleIQ Chrome agent directly from the Google Admin portal. Instructions and a video are provided right from the Quick Start menu. Lastly, if you have HubbleIQ On Demand, you can send a test request to your end user here. They will receive a special link that will auto-run a test, and their results and user information will appear in the agent portal once it's completed. Inviting other admins to HubbleIQ can be done with a few clicks. From the side menu, click Invite an Admin and fill in the form. An invite email will be sent to the admin and they will be onboarded with the Quick Start tutorial.